Another type of security threat to consider is a threat against availability. Availability generally has to do with whether services are available when they're desired. A classic compromise of availability is a denial of service attack, in which an attacker hits a system with so many requests that it overwhelms the system's resources and causes a loss of functionality for the intended user. This can be done by overloading the CPU, filling up memory with incomplete network transactions, or even draining a battery on a portable system simply by sending it a lot of messages that have to be processed. A sophisticated and very common form of denial of service is called a distributed denial of service attack, DDoS. That involves a coordinated attack from many different IP addresses, circumventing any defense which simply filters out IP addresses that are sending too much traffic. This is often accomplished using a botnet, in which fleets of so-called bots are leased by attackers as a service in order to take down a website or otherwise harass or take down some person or service that the attacker has an agenda against. A different flavor of availability attack is a feature activation attack. In this case, there's a pay-per-function embedded system, such as a television receiver that only has some channels enabled or has pay-per-view movies, or perhaps a navigation system for which you pay extra money to have more precise navigation. A feature activation attack gives you the ability to turn on unpaid features without paying for them. A related attack is that a vendor might have the ability to turn off features on cloned or counterfeit systems, and a feature activation attack would shield illicit systems from being turned off or having their functions shut down.